Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Today we are going to make Pesarattu, a speciality of Telugu speaking states Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Pesarattu is made with moong dal, which makes it a wholesome breakfast recipe. And as an accompaniment, I am going to make ginger chutney along with jaggery. So ginger chutney with sweetness of jaggery and the pungent taste from ginger makes it a very tasty and delectable breakfast which you can enjoy any day. Let's get started. Let us make ginger chutney. Light the stove and place a thick bottomed kadai on it. Let it get hot and then add 1 tablespoon of oil to the kadai. Add about 100 grams of peeled and chopped ginger to the oil, and next add about 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Fry this well till the dals turn golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds to this and fry well till you get a nice aroma from this, from the cumin seeds, ginger and the coriander. Add 5 to 6 red chilies and fry well. Fry for 30 seconds after you add the red chilies. We do not want to burn the red chilies. Add a small marble sized tamarind to this and stir in for some time. After stirring it for some time, switch off the stove and let this mixture cool down and come to the room temperature. After this, transfer these contents to a mixer jar. Add salt to taste, about 1.5 teaspoons of jaggery powder, and grind this mixture to a coarse paste. Our ginger chutney is ready. You can do tempering to this if you require, the tadka I mean, but I am skipping this step since we have already used oil in this recipe. This chutney can be used as a side or as a dip for any of the Indian dishes. You can use it as a breakfast side, as a chutney for idli, dosa, pongal, puri, chapati, anything you name, or as a side for rice as well. Now let's make Pesarattu. Soak about 2 cups of the green moong dal overnight and then wash it and transfer the moong dal alone after straining off the water to a mixer jar. Add about 2 inches of chopped ginger, about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, and salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of suji or the rava, 1 green chili. You can adjust it according to taste, you can increase or decrease, and grind this to a smooth paste, adding a little water if required. See this, how it is. Now transfer this to a bowl and add water to get the dosa batter consistency. The consistency should not be too thick or it should not be too runny. It should be just right to be able to make perfect dosas. Light the stove and place a dosa tawa on it. Let it get hot. After it's hot, spread some 1 teaspoon of oil on it. Please note that Pesarattu requires a little more oil than the regular dosa. So don't be stringent on spreading a little extra oil. take a ladle and spread the batter in the tawa by pouring it and spreading it across. You can spread some oil on the sides if required, if you feel that there is less oil on the tawa. Let the bottom side get cooked well, and using a dosa ladle, flip it so that the other side also can get cooked well. Be gentle. Flip again and check if it is done well. Once you have ensured it's done well, transfer it to a plate. Pesarattu is now ready. Now just enjoy it with ginger chutney. Presenting to you Pesarattu and ginger chutney, a wholesome breakfast with the right carbs, protein and a little bit of fat to kickstart your day and get through it. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please let me know in the comment section how else you prepare Pesarattu.